So, fascias and soffits. So what we've done, and today what we're doing is setting up for fascia and soffit. So we've measured our distance of the soffit we want from the building, cut our raft feet plumb down the pitch of the roof, which this so happens to be 35 degrees. I've then installed a solid timber to the front, giving my fascia a really nice straight pickup so it can be really securely fixed. And then on the back here at the moment I'm just installing a 2x2 all the way through, which picks up the back of the soffit underneath. Alongside every rafter we are installing a 2x2 just to help pick up all this soffit along here, as this is around about a 500mm soffit, so fairly big. Now I will show you next just installing one of the 2x2s. So we're going to measure between. This one is 457. So we can grab our timber, mark out 457 and then cut and install. So for cutting I am using a speed square Makita saw. So installing the 2x2, we're just going to tap it up into place, making sure it's nice and flush with the bottom of our timbers. Just got to come up a little tiny bit more there. Perfect. Just going to tap it round so it's tight to the rafter and then fix. So I am using the Senko first fix nail gun, which easy as that. Just one in the back. There we have it. I'm going to carry this all the way along until I'm done, which is a 8-metre run. Thanks for watching.